Hi guys, okay, I got a new setup here. I'm gonna try to animate this dress. I'm letting you see me at the stage that I am right now because I made this little set here in another 3D program, and I have our avatar lady back here somewhere. She's back there, so I'm trying to get her to animate and walk down this makeshift runway that I did right quick. So I'm testing it out, and I'm gonna try to load the MDD file that I made especially for this avatar, and importing MDD standard, and this is it. So fingers crossed guys, this is a real quick video because you know sometimes these things don't work and you get crazy. So hold on a second, here it goes. I'm going to load it as an avatar. No, yes, select avatars. No, select all avatars. Oh. Wait, let's try this. Okay, so it takes about 30 frames before it starts moving, and it's actually simulating the dress to walk with the model. So I tried to do a little bit of a jazzmatazz over here, and I'll speed this up for you guys. And this is why I love animation. This dress is just falling right off. So before I finish the simulation, I will revise the neckline on this dress because baby, where you going with that red dress? Oh my god. Alright, let's try to see what's gonna happen here. Is her neckline gonna fall out of place? Because I had no seam taping in it, nothing to hold that seam. But now it does. So are we gonna have a happy dress? So far so good. Waiting for her to turn that corner. Oh, thank God. Speed this up for you guys. Okay, you guys saw that pattern correction. So I gave you a little bit of insight into seeing a simulation and then going back in and fixing what you think is wrong and where you think your tweaks are needed, and then you just re-simulate. So I gave her a little room at the waist because she didn't have any. Nobody's waist is shaped like that. So this was one of those quick doodles, I call it. I call it a little doodle in 3D. But yeah, so now you see the simulation looks much better, and then we're gonna take it to the next level. Okay,